Hello everyone, it's Jacob from JWR Tech. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean up your temporary files in Windows 10 to make it faster and more responsive. We will look at how to clean up the temp file, the %temp file, the prefetch file, and also how to run the disk cleanup tool in Windows. With that out the way, let's get straight into it. The first folder we need to clean up is the temp folder. You want to do this by opening up the Windows menu, typing in run and click enter. Once you have the run window up, you want to type in temp, T-E-M-P, like you see on screen. Once you're in that folder, you want to select everything, right click and click delete. If a window pops up saying file in use, you want to click do this for all current items and click skip. Okay, the next folder we need to look at is the %temp folder. You want to do this by opening up the Windows menu, searching up for run, and then in run, searching up for %temp%. Once the folder is open, you want to highlight everything, right click and click delete. If a window comes up saying file in use, you want to click do this for all current items and click skip. Now let me show you how to clean up the prefetch folder. You want to do this by opening up the Windows menu, searching up for run, typing in prefetch. Once you're in the prefetch folder, you want to highlight everything, right click, delete. If a window comes up saying file in use, you want to click do this for all current items and click skip. Lastly, we need to run the disk cleanup tool that Windows provides. You want to do this by opening up the Windows menu, typing in disk cleanup. Once you have the disk cleanup window open, I recommend selecting C drive as that's where Windows is installed. Once you have your disk selected, you want to click OK and a second window will pop up saying what files you want to clean up. I recommend clicking all the boxes and click OK. Now that your temporary files are cleaned up and you run the disk cleanup tool, hopefully your PC runs quicker and smoother. I offer more guides on my channel, so please go have a look at that. Otherwise, please subscribe and like. I will see you in the next video.